Okay, I was asked to do a video of the Kitchenaid Windowed Dishwasher actually running, so I'm about to go ahead and get it started. It's mainly a bunch of glassware in there. I already have the dishwasher tab and some extra Lemmy Shine. Let's see, what do we want this on? Normal, and I always use center rinse. Wow, okay, let's start that. I don't know if you can hear it. It's running now. I can actually hear it going. I'm going to get in a little closer. You can kind of see inside with the flash from my camera shining through the window. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it there. Again, it's a 44 decibel noise rating, so it's not silent, but it is very quiet. We have an open floor plan down here, and we sit and watch TV, and you don't even notice this dishwasher running.